Hey everybody, this is Mparent, and today I'm just sharing a cool little project I've been working on. This is a project I've been working on with a benefits team, specifically a leave administration team. And this team has a lot of duties as far as administering people coming back from leave, FML or disability or what have you, or people applying for requesting leave. And they handle all this type of stuff. And this is just one little process in the breadth of management that they have to do. And in this case, when people request leave, they have to generate a letter that has specific information about it. It's got all kinds of legal minutia in it. And all they are doing in this case is they're just populating this letter with information that they're pulling from a query from our database. So somebody came to me and they said, this really isn't the most time consuming thing in the world, but it's really just such a headache to do that you have to download the query, we have to open up the template, we have to find where all these variables essentially are, and then update it, save it, print it, and send it. It's not that it was so time consuming, it just kind of was not a great employee experience. And one of the reasons I like this project so much is it's really that lean ethos of respect for employees, respect for people, and that's critical to the lean philosophy. But it's also kind of this idea of picking up the improvements wherever we can get it. If there's low-hanging fruit on the tree, let's pick it. Let's get any improvement we can, because it was really a straightforward and easy process. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here, as I'm talking, you've probably looked at the high-level current state process map. We see they're running a query, opening a template or a letter, populating it, saving it, and sending it. And I said, wouldn't it be cool if they opened it, put it in Excel, and Excel did the rest? Very straightforward, 100% automation. That's kind of what we're going for. Marginal time savings, they'll certainly recoup something, but really it's all about that lean ethos, respect for people, respect for employees, employee engagement. So that's exactly what we've done. Is I'm bringing over now that template that we would use. And you can see here that we've got things denoted where variables would go, the name, the date, the address, etc., etc. And as we go down this lengthy document, we can see that we're populating different fields in different locations. So that's kind of the task that was set out in front of me. And what I was able to do is do exactly what I set out to do, which is to say they're going to get a query of information from our database, our online database. It's going to be populated in Excel. They dump it into this template, and then they just launch the program. And all this program does is it tells Excel where to find the template itself. And then once you populate it with that specific information, where are you going to save that? So after those two fields are selected, all we have to do is hit create. We hit that button, create the leave of absence letter, and a little dialog box pops up and it says, what type of letter do you want to create? In this case, we're going to do the family medical leave, and they are eligible. So they have applied for family medical leave, and they do have some leave available. And in this case, we had a leave team of 4 people who were generating these types of letters. I'm selecting my name, Michael, and I hit OK. Excel is thinking about it. It's talking to Microsoft Word, and now in real time it says it's complete. And sure enough, if we go over here, we see that my name, you'll see where I'm living here, has been generated into or populated into the document. Everything down here, we've got different leave administrators' names. We can see that good old Mark Twain is my direct manager by any other name. And then up here you can see that it's already been saved. It's already been saved to the location that I wanted it to. And even if I come over here and I show you the File Explorer, you can see I've got the other templates saved in there as well. But what's important here is that I was able to save the letter automatically. So again, if you think it in terms of just time savings, it's marginal. There's something there. They're not gonna lose money on this project. It was so straightforward and so easy to implement. But certainly the value added, the value creation comes from making the lives better of the people who are doing it, the leave administration team, who are actively out there, doing this minutia, this, population. It's very rudimentary. It's not really an engaging experience for them, and to just take some of that off their plate is well worth the effort that this took to go into. And this has kind of been the wheelhouse of things that I've been working on, in a lot of different ways. So, if you're interested in learning more about little Excel applications or process improvement, Excel-based process improvement, please message me. And if you've liked this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe.